The rumor mill surrounding Samsung's upcoming flagship tablet, the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. Brace yourselves for a potential game changer that's set to redefine the tablet experience. Subscribe to my channel for more tech insights and updates. Now let's get down to business. The tech world has been abuzz with speculation about the Galaxy Tab S10 series, and it seems we might be in for a surprise. Traditionally, Samsung has rolled out a trio of tablets, the Standard, the Plus, and the Ultra. However, recent whispers from the industry suggest a dramatic shift in strategy. Renowned display analyst Ross Young has hinted at a possible overhaul of the lineup, leaving us intrigued and eager for more. But let's talk about what we do know, or at least what we strongly suspect. A display to die for Samsung has always been synonymous with stunning displays, and the Tab S10 Ultra is expected to be no exception. Rumor has it that we're looking at a colossal 14.6-inch Super AMOLED panel, boasting a mind-boggling resolution of 2960 by 4480 pixels. That's a visual feast for the eyes, folks. But wait, there's more. Samsung is allegedly cooking up a new display technology that promises to push the boundaries of brightness and efficiency even further. Can you imagine the potential for HDR content, gaming, and productivity on such a panel? Power under the hood. Performance is paramount, and the Tab S10 Ultra is expected to deliver in spades. A major departure from Samsung's usual Qualcomm Snapdragon alliance, this tablet is rumored to be packing the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset. Now, this is a bold move. MediaTek has been making significant strides in the mobile processor market, and this could be a game changer for Samsung tablets. If rumors are to be believed, we're looking at a chipset that can rival, if not surpass, the performance of its Snapdragon counterparts. Capturing your world. Tablets aren't typically known for their camera prowess, but Samsung seems determined to change that narrative. The Tab S10 Ultra is expected to receive a camera system upgrade, promising improved image quality and features. While we don't have concrete details yet, this development is undoubtedly exciting for those who use their tablets for photography or video calls. Software magic. A new tablet deserves a fresh coat of software, and Samsung is set to deliver with the latest version of its One UI, based on Android 14. Expect a refined interface, enhanced multitasking capabilities, and a plethora of customization options. Samsung has a history of delivering polished software experiences, and the Tab S10 Ultra is poised to continue that tradition. The bigger picture. So, what does this all mean? If these rumors hold true, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is shaping up to be a formidable contender in the premium tablet market. A larger, more stunning display, coupled with powerful performance and improved camera capabilities, could make this device a dream come true for content creators, professionals, and entertainment enthusiasts alike. Samsung's decision to opt for a MediaTek chipset is a bold gamble, but it could pay off big time if the Dimensity 9300 Plus lives up to its potential. This move could shake up the tablet market and force competitors to up their game. But what do you think? Are you excited about the prospect of a Samsung tablet powered by MediaTek? Do you believe that Samsung is making the right move by focusing on higher-end models? Let's start a conversation in the comments below. And remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more tech updates and in-depth reviews. We'll keep you in the loop on all the latest gadgets and trends. That's it for now. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye.